Welcome back, and today we have a 2021 Decorate With Me kitchen makeover and tour. Stay tuned, and it is a French country design.
Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I know you haven't seen me in a minute or two, but we are getting ready to just get started decorating everything for Christmas 2021. You have seen the shop, well, part of the shop anyway. So go by and watch those videos. I will link them down below. I have taken you through 2018, 2019, 2020. Now we're in 2021, using some different things that I already had, of course, adding on a few elements like you see here. I am using some fresh garland. I just thought it was so beautiful. When I stepped into the store, it just smells amazing. It smells so beautiful and piney and fresh, and well, I hope the allergies don't kick in. We'll just have to have faith and believe. But it is just so beautiful, and when I saw it in the store, I just decided, and the price point was spot on, of course, and I just thought, oh, I have got to use some of this year. It's been out actually here. I've been having it here for about 8 days, and I have been just spritzing it to make sure that it doesn't dry out or shed too much. So it's been doing very well. In this area, I'm doing something a little different. I'm adding a tree in the sitting area where the dining part is. There'll be a few other changes or rooms added this year that you'll see in the whole Christmas decorating series for the season. So stay tuned in. Let's get started.
So this is an overview of the entire area, and remember, I got a new dining room table. Here we go with the tree. Of course, you want to start fluffing your tree once you remove it from its box. I like to start from the interior of the tree and continue to move out with each branch. And most trees come with several different layers, and of course you'll add each one on. Then I'm going to get the table ready and all of the other areas, removing objects that I don't need. This is the wreath I was speaking about. It is a nice fresh wreath that I got from Costco, and I am really enjoying the look, feel, and also the smell of it. I'm going to use some command strips and place them on top of my artwork to secure it to the top. Once that is done, I'm going to add more of the branches from the wreath, and I'm going to take those and use them on the tree. So what I want to do is bring about a more realistic feel with the Christmas tree by adding some of the stems from the wreath onto it. As you will see coming up here, I am just going to place the branches within the tree. Again, adding that realistic feel that you would see if it were in the forest or in the country, and it had snow that had fallen on it. My overall design for this entire space is going to be a French country feel, or French country decorated designed area. And then I have these bells that I'm going to add here. I like that they are adorned with a little gold as well as the silver with a little bit of a texture added with some paint. And I purchased them just the way they are, and then I'm going to add them right on top of the tree. I'm not going to do too many decorations or ornaments, baubles on the tree. I'm going to keep it very simplistic. I am also going to use just things that I have around the house. As you see me pulling these big pears from the credenza, and we're going to use those in the design, as well as a few cloches that I already have, and then I'm going to take them and wash them right up. I have these bowls that I use a lot of white dishes and serveware, so I'm going to use those in the design as well. Again, taking them to the sink, giving them a good wash down just to give them a fresh look since they're going to be out on display, and then placing them on top of the credenza, adding the pear as well as the cloche on top of it, and then I'm going to adorn those with the fresh pieces of the wreath. And in my thinking, I just thought that this would add an extra festive touch, a natural element to the hard surface, the ceramic of the pear, and give it an extra little touch of softness. And then I wanted to move on to the actual table decor, making a centerpiece. And again, I'm going to use some of the wreath or garland, and I'm going to wire a piece of it together just to make a ring to go around this bowl that I purchased some months ago while I was out thrifting. I really like the lines of it. It has a bit of a floral feel, like an open flower, and I just really liked it. So I decided I would use it for this setup of this French country Christmas decor idea. And I would just make this ring and place it right on top of it, along with some candles to add a bit more of an ambiance, a romantic feel to the area. This next portion is 2 chairs, or rather it's a whole set of chairs that I purchased a while ago, and then I'm going to just do a makeover on them, but you'll see that in an upcoming video on Friday, so stay tuned in for that. I'm going to add all of the table decor as well as some napkins that you'll see here in this white linen fabric, and I really liked it again because it had that soft feel along with the ruffles that were going around it. And you know, in French country design you have a lot of texture with curvy lines and such, and again, I just really like the look and the feel of it, and the naturalness of the napkin ring that I'm going to place on it as well. And then I'm going to adorn the napkins with, again, a little piece of the garland, and we will complete the look. Now, along with the chairs, I'm going to do a quick DIY and address those there. Again, you'll see in an upcoming video the complete makeover of these chairs because they are not done, but I did like the deconstructed look for this particular design for this Christmas decorate with me in this French country feel. So as I always say, stay inspired, motivated, and moving, creating something beautiful, if not for yourself, then for someone else. Have a happy holiday and enjoy the rest of the video. Stay inspired, motivated, and moving. This has been Shenell, and I'll see you all for the next one.